It's Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com. Todd's here.
Hey.
He's eating the food that we're gonna make today. It is a Chile Verde smoked pulled pork. It is off the charts delicious. It's incredibly simple, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First step for our Chile Verde smoked pork is to get it seasoned and onto the smoker. I'm starting with an 8 to 10 pound pork shoulder, also sometimes called a Boston butt. This is bone in, that's how I like to cook them. Simply wipe all around with a paper towel to make sure you get any bone fragments or excess liquid from the packaging, and then season on all sides with a basic seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder. I'm using my beef seasoning. This is a very great all-purpose rub. Yes, it's beef. It works fantastic on pork. We're gonna be adding a ton of flavor in later with the green chilies and the Chile Verde braise. So I wanna keep the seasoning on here fairly simple. Just make sure you cover evenly on all sides. I've got my smoker preheated, 225 degrees. If you want a really authentic Tex-Mex style flavor, you can use mesquite wood. If you don't like smoke that bold, you can go with anything like alder, hickory, all great options for this. The first smoke is gonna take about 8 hours at 225 degrees. We're looking for an internal temperature of the pork between 160 and 165 degrees. Our pork's off the smoker, it's time to add in our braising liquid. I'm gonna start with a 28-ounce can of green chili enchilada sauce. You can use your favorite, and these are also available in different heat levels, so you can go as spicy or as mild as you like. We're keeping it mild. We got a bunch of kids. We wanna make sure that they also eat their dinner. I'm gonna add a 4-ounce can of fire-roasted diced green chilies. Again, you can pick the heat level on this one. We're keeping ours mild. And then a jar, this is about 12 ounces of a salsa verde. This is a green salsa. We're using a Trader Joe's brand, but any kind of tomatillo green chili based salsa will work. Cover that tightly with some heavy duty aluminum foil. You want it to be nice and airtight to kind of keep all of that steam inside. It's really gonna help speed the cooking process. This is going back on the smoker. I've increased the heat to 350 degrees. We want this to braise inside of that smoker and really break down all of those tight connective tissues. Because it's taken on as much smoke as it's going to from the first period, you can actually do this in the oven if you'd like, or even in a crock pot if you want to finish cooking. I would say it'll take about 2 to 3 hours to finish. Our pork has reached the perfect internal temperature. We're looking for between 195 and 200 degrees. We've nailed it. You want your thermometer to really feel like it's going into a super, super soft piece of butter, almost. We let this rest for a little while. I would say at least 30 minutes, up to an hour. And then open it up. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. You've got all of that beautiful green chili and pork juice in the bottom, and it's just gonna shred right apart. It's so soft. Now I just shred the meat right into the liquid itself, and then you can eat this however you like to. You can eat it like a stew, burritos, tacos. I just put it in a bowl, serve it with some fresh tortillas, limes, some cilantro, a little bit of sour cream. That is an awesome meal. I brought Todd in to help me finish shredding because
This is my favorite.
I did actually start developing this recipe for Todd. I gotta be honest, I did a few iterations that were spicy, like 11 on the Richter scale. I put in a couple too many serranos and jalapenos instead of more mild green chilies. So I took this one a little bit more mild, and I hope he really likes it.
I haven't tried it yet.
I know. You can put them in a bowl. You can just eat it plain. With this perfectly shredded, there's plenty of liquid in the bottom. You could almost treat this like a chili or a stew with your favorite toppings. You could put beans in there, you could put rice in there, or you could treat it as a filling for burritos or tacos or enchiladas. You could put that on nachos. I like to eat mine with a squeeze of lime, a tortilla, some fresh chopped red onions, a little sour cream, and some cilantro. No matter how you eat it, I feel like you're probably gonna love it. On tortilla. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I for sure hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, share it on social media and let us know, or come back and leave a comment. We would love to see the things that you're smoking at home, feeding the people you love, and that moment of you being the backyard barbecue hero. I'm gonna eat this. We'll catch you next time. That was so good. I hope you guys give this one a try. If you would like more of our amazing barbecue, pork, super fun and festive videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every week.